In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a box in PDF with Adobe Acrobat. We'll keep this simple and clear using built-in tools so you can mark up any PDF in just a minute or two. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat and loading the PDF you want to work on. Give the document a second to render so everything is crisp and ready, but once your file is open, look toward the top of the window and click on Edit. This brings key editing controls into focus and makes the markup tools easy to reach. Next, choose Add a Comment. This switches Acrobat into commenting mode, which is perfect for quick annotations and visual callouts. From the commenting options, select Add an instant add was ton text on a text comment. Your cursor will change, signaling that you're ready to place the box. Move your cursor to the exact area you want to call out, maybe a field on a form or a line that needs attention, and click once to insert the text comment box. You'll see a neat box appear with a blinking cursor inside it. If you want, you can type a short label such as "sign here" or "review this." Even if you leave it blank, the visible bounding box acts as a simple rectangular marker, which is great for drawing attention without permanently altering the original page content. If the box isn't exactly where you want it, hover over the edge until you see the move icon and drag it into place. You can also use the corner handles to resize, keeping it snug around the area you're highlighting. To make your box stand out, click on the color option in the commenting toolbar. Pick a color that contrasts well with your page. Something like red or blue is usually easy to spot. Depending on your Acrobat view, you may also see options to adjust opacity or line weight. Choosing a slightly thicker line can improve readability on scanned documents or low contrast pages. If the color looks off once it's placed, don't worry. You can change it again while the box is selected. Before wrapping up, take a moment to zoom in and confirm the box is aligned with the content you're marking. Small adjustments now will make your final PDF look cleaner and more professional. When you're satisfied, press the Escape key to exit placement mode or click Preview to see the document without the editing handles and tool overlays. That's it, your box is in place, easy to see, and ready for review.